how to download and install WhatsApp. So today in this video I will be showing you how can you download and install WhatsApp application on your device. Before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. And let's get started. So the WhatsApp application can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first thing is you need to open up your Google Play Store on your device and you have to tap and search for WhatsApp. Once you search for that, you will be easily able to see this application. Simply tap on install at the right hand side and it will take a few minutes to install it on your device, which totally depends upon your internet connection. Once you install this app, you can create your account, or if you already have an account, then you can log into your account. So this app is one of the most used and also most safe media to chat and call with your loved ones. It's really simple, reliable and private. You just need to be connected to your internet to use this application, so it's easy and also cost effective. You can message privately with end-to-end encryption, which is one of the best features of WhatsApp, and you can call across the world for free. As I mentioned, you just have to be connected with your internet, and you can also create a group, and here are the many more features of WhatsApp. You can open it up and see for that. So few seconds later, you can see WhatsApp has been installed on my device. You can simply tap on open and go for further process. So this is how you download and install WhatsApp application on your device. If you need any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.